I love you always. I know you're learning a lot na. And keep up the good work. You're doing study well and you love your family. I love you, anak. Sana maging mabait siyang ate, sa kapatid niya. Saka sumunod siya kay mami niya. Anak, ay sana masaya ka ngayon. Ikaw ang princess ngayong araw and enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Be thankful to God lagi. And always take care of yourself. Love yourself and love your family. I love you, anak.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. I was born to breathe the air and take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day.
Si Jelavit naman, hindi ako nahirapan sa kanya kasi first baby naman. Sabay lang, hindi siya masyadong kulit, basta naglalaro lang siya, good girl siya talaga. Siguro pag pumapasyal kami sa labas, kaming dalawa lang, gano'n. Tapos lagi kami nagbabanding po.
It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, Jelavit. Mag-aral mabuti. Wish you all the best. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy and Jillian. Alagaan mo parati si Jillian and thank you kasi pag may ginagawa si Mami, lagi kang lagi mong binabantayan si Jillian. You always helping Mommy. Thank you and I love you so much.